The legend is back, and it's better than ever. The 2025 Tata Sumo Gold marks the return of one of India's most iconic SUVs, blending ruggedness, power, and modernity into an unforgettable driving experience. Known for its durability and no-nonsense design, the Sumo has been a favorite among Indian families, off-road enthusiasts, and commercial users alike. With its new iteration, Tata Motors has managed to pay homage to the past while embracing the future of mobility. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold features an upgraded engine that meets Bharat Stage 6 Phase 2 emission standards, ensuring it's both powerful and eco-friendly. It's powered by a 2.2-liter diesel engine that produces 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. This powerhouse offers the perfect balance of performance and efficiency, making it ideal for both urban commutes and challenging terrains. Tata has also added a mild hybrid system to improve fuel efficiency, showing a commitment to sustainability without compromising performance. The Sumo Gold's design maintains its classic boxy look but with modern touches that elevate its appeal. The LED headlights and taillights add a contemporary edge, while the bold grille and skid plates reinforce its tough personality. The body has been aerodynamically refined to improve fuel economy, yet it retains the commanding road presence that the Sumo is known for. With new 17-inch alloy wheels and all-terrain tires, it's ready to conquer everything from city streets to mountain trails. Buyers can choose from an exciting range of colors, including some retro shades that nod to the Sumo's earlier generations. Stepping inside, the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold surprises you with its spacious and premium interior. It comfortably seats 7 to 9 passengers, depending on the configuration, and offers ample boot space for luggage. The dashboard has been completely revamped, featuring a sleek 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Tata has also introduced a semi-digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting, and ventilated seats, making it clear this is no longer just a rugged utility vehicle. It's a comfortable, family-friendly SUV. Safety features like multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and a 360-degree camera enhance both confidence and peace of mind during your journeys. The 2025 Sumo Gold is built on Tata's Omega Arc platform, which is known for its superior strength and crash protection. This platform, derived from Land Rover's D8 architecture, adds another layer of reliability and modernity to the vehicle. The improved suspension ensures a smoother ride on uneven roads, while the optional 4x4 system makes it a perfect companion for adventurers. Whether you're driving on highways, through villages, or up mountain passes, the Sumo Gold promises a capable and comfortable ride. Technology takes center stage in this new Sumo. Features like wireless phone charging, over-the-air updates, and connected car technology make this SUV smarter than ever. Using the Tata Ira app, owners can remotely lock and unlock the vehicle, check vital statistics, and even find the car in crowded parking spaces. Additionally, the inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control pushes the Sumo Gold into a new era of intelligent driving. Priced between a superscript 112 lock and a superscript 116 lock, the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold offers excellent value for its range of features and capabilities. Tata has made it clear that this is not just a revival but a reinvention. The Sumo Gold is positioned to compete against rivals like the Mahindra Bolero Neo and the Force Gurkha, and it's clear that Tata is not holding back. The vehicle is expected to hit showrooms across India by mid-2025. With bookings already generating excitement among car enthusiasts. Whether you're a nostalgic fan of the classic Sumo or someone looking for a robust and versatile SUV, the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold is ready to exceed your expectations. It's more than a car-up, it's a statement of legacy, resilience, and progress. Tata has successfully brought an icon into the modern era, ensuring the Sumo continues to be a trusted companion for generations to come.